Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Challenges of manual tests on web devices. The challenges of manual web app testing include: requires creativity. Manual web app tests often involve checks that necessitate a more creative approach, the kind that software is unable to accommodate. Time-consuming. A manual approach usually takes significantly more time than automated tests, with testers potentially spending hours on individual features depending on their complexity. Expensive long-term. Hiring costs for adequate manual testing staff, especially if any bespoke tests require advanced skills, might be a significant expense for any business. Possibility of human error. Even novice testers are knowledgeable enough to understand the importance of checking their work, though it is still possible for mistakes to happen throughout this process. The menial nature of many of these checks and the general time constraints for testing can possibly lead to team members rushing or otherwise not noticing a problem with their approach. This could have a significant impact on the test's validity. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.